Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today on Desi Bites is another Desi Tadka day where I'm going to be making Bhindi Masala. So let's start. I'm going to start with chopping up my lady finger. Okay guys, my bhindi is chopped and now it's time to cook the bugger. In goes in some oil. Okay, so my oil has heated and now I'm going to add in the onions. This recipe does not require any ginger or garlic, just onions. Once the onion has turned pink, I'm going to add jeera, haldi powder. So only jeera and haldi powder. I'm going to toss that around and now I'm going to add in my bhindi. Just little more oil. So I'm going to add a little bit of amchur powder. I'm going to tell you something which might not be really appetizing for all of you, but the way that you've been eating bhindi at home is kind of wrong, because it's all squished and it's really dark green and it's squishy, but that's not how it's supposed to be. You're supposed to keep it green like this. Come take a look. You can see that it's sticking, all the stickiness is coming out of the bhindi, but all the nutrients of lady finger are still intact in this position right now. You cook it further than this and it's gone. Now I'm going to just season it with some chili powder and salt. Stir it around for about 2.5 minutes. Cook perfectly, that's it. Not a second longer do I want to cook this bhindi. Time to plate up this beautiful little bhindi. There you have it guys, Bhindi Masala. So easy to make. Keeping it green, please don't forget, keep it green, not brown. That's the way bhindi should be made. And try this recipe at home because it's really simple and it's really delicious and it's really healthy. So till then, take care and I will see you in another episode with another Desi Tadka recipe because we're doing Indian these days. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Kapoor and today we're going to be doing a sweet and salted lassi. Which is just the best for summers and every day. Less calorie intake. Let's start. So first what I'm going to do is I have taken 250 grams of curd. Take a couple of ice cubes and just a little bit of water. Since we've already added the ice, we don't really need a lot of water. Now this is 10 grams of brown sugar. We're using brown sugar in the lassi because it's more healthy than normal caster sugar. So all of that. And just a pinch of salt, to taste. I'm going to add 3 pinches. You guys can do whatever suits your palate. Let's get this lid on. Just for a little bit of spice, add a little bit of garlic on top. So that's the way I like it. So and this is ready. As you see, it only takes 5 minutes once you have all the ingredients. Just the right amount of salt and sugar. So keep watching Desi Bites for more easy recipes coming your way, and do not forget to like, comment and subscribe. See you in our next one. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a mushroom melt sandwich. For that, bread sliced. Just going to add some butter straight up. Once the butter has melted, you can add in your onions and toss them around a little bit. Once the onions turn slightly pink, then add in the garlic. In goes in my mushroom. Are you guys liking the smell? Adding in some white wine. Throwing in a little bit of cream. That's it. On this I'm going to add some cheese and a little bit of fresh parsley and a bit of salt. So cheese has nicely melted inside this. I'm going to add some pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. We are done with this. So I'm going to put this aside, and on the side I'm just going to toast my bread. Same on this side. And we are done. Now this perfect size. Now parmesan on top and some fresh parsley. There you have it, the mushroom melt. So guys, this is ready. A very easy sandwich yet again. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this simple mushroom melt. Like, subscribe and share Desi Bites. And I will see you in another episode. Till then, take care everyone. See you. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. I am Chef Kapoor and today I'm going to be making a pineapple flavored lassi. For that, I have sliced pineapples which are going to go in. Keep about like 5 decent, maybe 6. Then I have half a glass of pineapple juice. Yogurt around 250 grams. Some ice cubes. Then brown sugar. Brown sugar because it's the healthier option. And 10 grams of brown sugar. And then the special ingredient, which is chaat masala, to give it that a little sweet, sour and tangy flavor. So I'm going to add 3 pinches, but then you can put it according to your taste. So let's start this smoothie. Time to serve this.
tropical. Pretty easy, so try this at home. Comment below if you like the recipe, like the video if you like the recipe, and subscribe to the channel if you like the recipe. I will see you in another episode. Keep watching Desi Bites. Hi everyone and welcome to Desi Bites. Today is a really fun episode because I'm going to be making the classic Spanish sangria. So for the classic Spanish sangria, I'm going to put in oranges sliced, some sliced lime, stressed out about it, 1 sachet or 5 gram of white sugar. Then in this I'm going to add 30 ml of white rum. So I'm making this for 1 glass. Now I will put in some orange juice. So this glass is a 330 ml glass, which is the size of a pint. I'm going to add in half a glass of orange juice. And now I'm going to add in the main ingredient, which is red wine, and fill up this glass. Okay, and now I'm going to muddle and blend this in together. Push the oranges down with the thing so the flavor goes in right there, mixes well with the orange juice. And now I'm going to put this in the fridge to chill for about 2 hours so that the flavors blend in and the fruit absorb the alcohol in the freezer. 2 hours. So now this has been chilling for about 2 hours. I've got my wine glass in and now I'm going to pour the juices. What I'll do is first I'll just take the fruit out and put it in the glass. It's absorbed the alcohol really well. I'm going to pour this in. And your classic Spanish sangria is ready. Cheers guys! Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment to Desi Bites. I will see you in another fun episode with another easy recipe. Till then, you take care and have a great day. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to Desi Bites. Today I'm going to be making a mushroom melt sandwich. For that, bread sliced. Just going to add some butter straight up. Once the butter has melted, you can add in your onions and toss them around a little bit. Once the onions turn slightly pink, then add in the garlic. In goes in my mushroom. Are you guys liking the smell? Adding in some white wine. Bit of cream. That's it. On this I'm going to add some cheese and a little bit of fresh parsley and a bit of salt. So cheese has nicely melted inside this. I'm going to add some pepper. I'm going to add a little bit of black pepper. We are done with this. So I'm going to put this aside, and on the side I'm just going to toast my bread. Same on this side. And we are done. Now this perfect size. Now parmesan on top and some fresh parsley. There you have it, the mushroom melt. So guys, this is ready. A very easy sandwich yet again.
Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this simple mushroom melt. Like, subscribe, and share Desi Bites. And I will see you in another episode. Till then, take care, everyone. See you.